Okay, so in this video, basically I'm just going to demonstrate something I just put together, which is after we step into the light, which by the way doesn't turn off just for the sake of this demonstration, the light now, over a random period of time, flickers to a random intensity. So, yeah, you can sort of, initially this particular flow is quite a long one, but there we go, sort of, yeah, sort of changes. It's not very aesthetic because there's no fade between, which I think is what I'm about to fix now. But just sort of demonstrating that it is something that I can do.